Sing the ABCs with me now. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big all day. F is for frog that jumps around. ABC animals, fun we found. G is for goat, that says ma. H is for hippo, huge hurrah! I is for iguana, green and slow. Learning ABCs helps us grow. J is for jellyfish, floating in the sea. K is for kangaroo, jump with me. L is for lion, king of the land. ABC animals, isn't it grand? M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for narwhal, swimming free. O is for owl, hoot hoot at night. ABC animals, sing with delight. P is for penguin, waddling around. Q is for quail, pecking the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping along, singing ABC animal song. S is for snake, slithering near. T is for tiger, roar, don't fear. U is for unicorn, magical too. ABC animals, fun for you. V is for vulture, flying high. W is for wolf, howling sky. X is for X-ray, fish, tiny and cool. Y is for yak, in the snow and pool. Z is for zebra, stripes so